Hello there. Today we're going to be talking about change. Can we try this on? What do you think? Or let's try another one. What do you think about this? Talking about change, in the year 1963, John F. Kennedy said that change is the law of life. Today, we have over 5 schools and 2 manufacturing companies that have switched to Techage Geofenced attendance clocking and out solution. This solution today is being used by students, used by staffs, used by employees, and also factory workers. And this is the reason for this. 1. This system gives you, the business owner, total control over the movement of your staff, student, and employee. Without having to queue, without having to lift a finger, you can see what goes in and out of your premises at every point in time. The system is smooth, it is fast, and it is highly efficient, helping to improve social distance, and also you don't have to wait for 30 days again. Am I making sense? Rate your attendance solution today. Switch by subscribing to Techage Geofenced attendance clocking and out solution system. Our subscription price list. Check out our website today from the description below. Call or WhatsApp Dami at 0706388 for the 632 or Flourish at 08131374443. Techage Innovations, shaping the future with technology.